Namaste Gurkulian, I hope all of you are fit and fine. So, welcome back, Physical Education Chapter 5, Children and Women in Sports. It is for the class 12th. Dear student, it is part 5th. Part 5th of this chapter. In previous part, we completed all the deformities like spinal curvature, under spinal curvature, that kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, knock knee, bow leg, flat foot, and that round shoulders or round back. So in this part we will do the preventive exercise for the postural deformity. Preventive exercises for postural deformities. Postural deformities. So first one is kyphosis. First one is kyphosis. Kyphosis, you know that spinal curvature in back, this, it will come outside, back side, outside. So preventive exercise means, this thing keep in your mind when we are talking about the preventive exercise of kyphosis. Means at first you have to imagine that what is kyphosis. In kyphosis, which type of curve take place in our spinal cord. So it is. So how we can correct it? If now, for example, it is a rod. Suppose it is a rod. It is like this. Okay, the curve is like this. So how I can make it back in proper position? So I have to do it like this. So same, all the exercise in which our back go upward or back become like this straight, all the exercise that we have to perform to prevent the kyphosis. In this, some asanas are there. We can say chakrasana, chakrasana, nokasana, nokasana. And one more thing, one roll is there, roll. One roll is there. On that roll we have to lay down, or we have to roll our body on that roll. Okay, forward or backward, again and again. That will the pressure will go on our vertebral column from where that abnormal curve is there, or that will come after some time in the proper position. These exercises will take time. After for long time we have to perform the regular exercise, preventive exercise of the kyphosis. Then we can prevent ourselves, or then we can remove the postural deformities, spinal curvature deformity like kyphosis from our body. On that roll we have to lay down in supine position. Okay. Supination or pronation. You know supination or pronation. Two type of movements are there. When our face is upward, on that time also pressure go on our that abnormal curve, or when we are lay down in prone position, means like salbhasan. Okay, so our back is up or our face toward the downward side. On that time, both hand and both leg we have to put up, try to put up. Otherwise, salbhasan or bhujangasan, like bhujangasan known as the cobra pose, like a snake. On that time also pressure goes on our back. So these are the preventive asana or preventive exercise of kyphosis. Bhujangasana. Okay. Second one is lordosis. For lordosis, we have to do the asanas. In lordosis, we know that from this area near our tummy, that we can say sacrum, vertebral columns, it will come in from back side. If we talk about, it will go inward. From front side, if we will check, it will come front. Okay, it will come front side. So how to prevent it? All the asanas or all the exercise which will pressure which pressure will go on our that this area, it will go back, which will help to make it correct, mean in normal position. That asana we have to perform for this. For example, like halasana and paschimottanasana asana, and or one more thing, if obesity is there, then we have to do some preventive asana for the obesity also. Okay. Paschimottanasana, or one more Bhu Naman asana, like stand in standing position, try to touch the surface with your hand, or if you are having a flexible body, then keep your both hand on the surface. These type of asana, all the exercise in which this area will go back. Okay, so that exercise we have to perform to prevent the lordosis. Or one more thing, ball is there, on that ball our leg, this also the exercise to prevent, roll on this ball to prevent the exercise for the lordosis. It is known as the stability ball exercise. Stability ball exercise. Stability ball exercise. Okay, third one is scoliosis. Scoliosis, you know, C shape curvature. In scoliosis, what happen? Sideward band is there. For correct the scoliosis, some exercise like chin ups. Okay, chin ups, bench press, shoulder press exercise. Okay, for this Tadasana, Hastasana, Tadasana, Hastasana, Trikonasana, or one is the, we can say, planks. You know very well, planks for the abdominal strength, planks or core strengthening exercise. We know in that exercise, one hand or one knee will be on the surface, or other hand and leg we have to put up. Okay, put up. Opposite side, like right hand on the surface, left knee on the surface, then left hand and right leg, it will be straight. It is known as the table pose. Table pose. Okay, it will correct the scoliosis. Or same exercise, one more thing, back extension. You know that sit-ups, opposite side is back extension. In that, what we have to do, like some back pain preventive exercise we are performing both hand and both leg up. On that time lay down in prone position, face toward the ground, and one hand and one leg we will put up, or one hand and one leg it will be in the same or relaxed position. These exercise alternate we have to perform for preventing the scoliosis. Or in your book it is given clearly. Always keep in your mind in which vertebral column part abnormality is there, means curve is there, or which exercise we are performing, means which impact of the exercise if will go on that main part of the body, it means that is the preventive exercise of the spinal curvature. But don't perform without guidance. At first if you have any problem regarding spinal curvature, then once you have to go to any coach or any physical trainer that will guide you, that will suggest you, that he will suggest you the good exercise or how to perform. At first in the beginning, main thing general to specific we are going. In the beginning general level of the exercise, or slowly we will go after 10-15 days to the specific. Sometime what happen, if without any knowledge we start performing the exercise, it will bring the major injury in our body. Exercise for the bow leg, exercise for the flat feet. In flat feet, you know, our feet like this, no curve is there, straight on the surface. First one, wear good quality shoes. Good quality shoes. Second one, try to run on toe. Okay, try to run on toe. पंजे पंजे पर रनिंग करना. Okay. Third one, wet towel or any other, we can say bori, gilli bori. Like wet towel we have to keep on the surface, or in between of the towel we have to stand, or then we have to we can say fold it with the help of our feet. उसको इकट्ठा कर देना है पैरों की उंगलियों की help से, with the help of the finger of feet. That is also a preventive exercise. Fourth one, running on sand. Some exercise maybe you will not found in your book. Some I am saying you from my side. Okay. Fifth one is skipping. Or one thing you can do from yourself also, like which type of shoes you are having. Sometime what happen nowadays, casual shoes we are wearing, or that formal shoes we are wearing, that shoes are not giving us a proper shape. Because of that our heel, our knee, sometimes shin pain, sometimes the middle part of our feet that start paining. It is that the shoes quality is not good, or the shoes quality is not appropriate according to the activity, which activity we are performing in the daytime with our daily routine. Okay. So what we have to do, suppose I have a sports shoes, not a very high good level quality like Nike, Adidas or Asics or Mizuno, but a normal quality shoes I have. What I will do, any old one shoes you have to take that I don't know what is the, हम उसको क्या कहते हैं, जो शूज़ के अंदर रखा होता है उसको बोलते हैं तलवा, एक तरह से उसको लीजिए, cut it in 2 to 3 part, उन 3 पार्ट को आपस में पेस्ट करिए और इन योर शूज इन बिटवीन, अपने जो शूज आप यूज कर रहे हैं उसका तलवे को उठाइए और उसके नीचे उसको पेस्ट कर दीजिए ठीक बीच में जहां पे हमें अब हमारे पैर में कर्व चाहिए, और देन इट पेस्ट इट और देन यूज दैट शूज फॉर योर एक्टिविटीज. दैट इज ऑल्सो ए मेथड. और try to do the exercise like for the calf muscle exercise we are doing come on the toe, these exercise also, or sometime any round object, suppose like this any round object, try to stand on this round object. Okay, on this round object, it will also help for the bring normality in a flat feet. So these were the exercise. Now for the knock knee, those are having a knock knee. For knock knee, Padmasan. Padmasan, you know, Gomukhasan. Third one, Ardh Matsyendrasan. Fourth one, keep pillow at night. In between your leg at night while you are sleeping, or then keep pillow in between your leg or then sleep. Horse riding. Another one, like if you are playing a ball game or not playing a ball game, like keep the ball in between your knee. If you have a knock knee, then try to walk for 20-30 meter. 2 or 3 round you have to do of that exercise. That also helpful for you prevent the knock knee deformity. Okay. That Ardha Matsyendrasan is not for the knock knee. Rest of the exercise you will do. Okay. Or one more thing, if you have a knock knee, try to walk with the not in the same line, straight line. Little bit keep your toe outward side or then walk. It is also helpful in the knock knee. Another one is the bow leg. Bow leg. Bow leg. For bow leg, first one is Garudasana. In Garudasana, what happens? Like this, we will cross our leg or our hand also. Like a cloth, we are squeezed. Okay, that same pose. Second one is Ardha Matsyendrasana. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Third one is there for bow leg. Walk with inner side toe. In bow leg, in knock knee, I suggest you like this, or in bow leg try to walk like this. Your toe, face of your toe toward the inside, toward the middle line of the body. So it is also a preventive asana for the bow leg. Okay, so these are the some exercise, or take the suggestion of any guide or any coach also. They will say, or some gymming exercise also for the bow leg or no knee, that you also can perform. Last one is round back, round shoulder. For round shoulder, Bhujangasana. Bhujang Asan, you know that cobra pose. Okay, Bhujangasana, or another one is Ustrasan. Ustrasan. Ustrasan is like sit in Vajrasan. At first put up your hip, or from back side touch your heel with your hand. Okay, these two asanas are preventing asan for the round shoulder. Okay, some other yogic exercise you have to do, or for round shoulder, all type of bench press also you have to perform in the gym. Chin ups, pull ups, bench press, these exercise also prevent you from the round shoulder. So dear student, for this video this much. PDF I will provide you. Lots of things you will get from your book also, something I told you from here. Any problem you can send me the question in video in that WhatsApp group, that I will give you the answer. So check all the video properly. We'll see you in the next part. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Take care.